Welcome, visionary ENFJ, to a journey of self-mastery. Today, we're not just peeling back layers, we're diving into the core of your unique potential. Stick with us to unlock profound insights that will revolutionize your relationships, supercharge your mindset, and accelerate your career trajectory. Part 1. Mastering Emotional Equilibrium. As an ENFJ, your empathy is your superpower, yet it can sometimes leave you emotionally exhausted. The solution? Master the art of emotional equilibrium. Practice mindfulness to remain present and connected yet detached enough to not be overwhelmed by others' feelings. Engage in journaling to process emotions without judgment. This practice allows you to understand and balance your inner landscape with the emotional demands of those around you. To further foster this balance, incorporate regular self-care routines. This can involve activities that recharge your energy and bring you joy, such as reading, taking walks in nature, or practicing a hobby. Remember, sustaining your own well-being is not a luxury but a necessity, especially when you are naturally inclined to care for others. By establishing boundaries and prioritizing self-care, you create the necessary space to recharge, which in turn enhances your ability to support others with a clear and focused mind. Part 2. Amplifying Career Efficiency. At work, your strategic mind shines brightest when not clouded by the minutiae. The path forward? Elevate your efficiency through selective focus. Dive into the Pareto Principle, or the 80-20 rule, where 20% of your efforts yield 80% of the results. Focus on the tasks that have the highest impact and outsource the rest. Pair this with time-blocking techniques to protect your high-energy periods for creative and strategic thinking, maximizing your natural strengths. In addition to the Pareto Principle, implement systematic prioritization by using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix, which helps you categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. This will further streamline your workflow, ensuring that you're not just busy, but productive. Cultivating the habit of regular self-reflection can also be instrumental in career efficiency. This allows you to assess the value of your tasks and realign your actions with your most critical career goals, thus optimizing your path to professional fulfillment and success. Part 3. Navigating Conflict with Grace. As natural diplomats, you often mediate disputes, yet you might shy away from direct confrontation. It's essential to frame conflict as an opportunity for innovation and deeper connection. Develop a conflict resolution toolkit, active listening, assertive communication, and problem-solving strategies. Role-play difficult conversations with a trusted friend or coach to build confidence in addressing issues head-on. Moreover, cultivating emotional intelligence is key to navigating conflicts effectively. Work on recognizing not only your own emotions, but also the emotional undercurrents in others. This will enable you to approach confrontations with empathy and a clearer understanding, leading to more constructive outcomes. Embrace feedback as a gift, and learn the art of giving and receiving it in a way that fosters growth rather than resentment. With these skills, you can turn potential confrontations into opportunities with mutual understanding and respect. Part 4. Elevating Self-Care to an Art Form. For you, ENFJ, self-care should be as creative and expressive as you are. Craft a self-care regimen that's as diverse and enriching as your personality. From culinary arts to expressive writing, find activities that replenish not just your energy, but also your soul. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's the fuel for your altruistic fire. Integrate this philosophy into your daily routine by scheduling time for activities that stimulate personal growth and joy. It could be learning a new instrument, gardening, or even engaging in volunteer work that aligns with your values. Consider also the healing power of quietude. Mindfulness meditation or yoga can help center your thoughts and emotions. By treating self-care as a dynamic form of self-expression, you ensure that it becomes a sustaining part of your life. one that enhances your natural ability to care for others with vigor and compassion. Part 5. Engineering Sustainable Ambition. Your drive for growth can lead to burnout if left unchecked. Implement a system of sustainable ambition. Break your long-term goals into quarterly sprints with measurable objectives. Celebrate every win, no matter how small, with a ritual that honors your progress. This not only motivates you but also builds a habit of recognition that sustains your drive without leading to exhaustion. To further this sustainable approach, regularly check in with your mental and physical health to ensure you're not overextending yourself. Use techniques like mindfulness to stay grounded and maintain perspective on what's truly important. Balancing your ambition with adequate rest, hobbies that disconnect you from work, and relationships that provide support and joy is crucial. By pacing yourself and acknowledging the journey as much as the destination, you foster longevity in your personal and professional endeavors. Part 6. Harmonizing Relationships and Personal Growth. In the pursuit of personal development, ENFJs must not overlook the symbiotic relationship between their growth and their connections with others. Establishing a network of growth-minded individuals can offer mutual support, inspiration, and accountability. Invest in relationships that challenge you to evolve and that celebrate your milestones. In fostering these connections, be intentional about collaborative growth, finding ways to thrive together, whether through joint learning sessions, peer coaching, or shared experiences that push you out of your comfort zone. Furthermore, remember that personal growth often happens in the context of community. By volunteering or participating in group activities aligned with your values, you not only contribute to the welfare of others, but also expand your own horizons. This communal approach reinforces the idea that growth is not a solitary journey, but a shared venture. It's about lifting as you climb, enriching your life and the lives of those around you with every step forward. Part 7. Cultivating Intellectual Curiosity. For an ENFJ, intellectual curiosity is a cornerstone of lifelong learning and self-improvement. Commit to a practice of continuous education by setting aside time each week to engage with new ideas and perspectives. This could involve reading, taking online courses, or attending workshops and seminars. Approach each learning opportunity with an open mind, ready to challenge your preconceptions and expand your worldview. By doing so, you not only enhance your knowledge base, but also maintain cognitive agility. In addition to formal learning, seek out everyday experiences that prompt critical thinking and creativity. Engage in discussions with people from diverse backgrounds, travel to unfamiliar places, or simply explore a new genre of books or art. These experiences will fuel your natural inclination for understanding and integrating complex human narratives. Intellectual curiosity, when actively nurtured, becomes a powerful tool in an ENFJ's arsenal, enabling you to connect with the world in more meaningful ways. ENFJ, you are more than a leader. You are a beacon of inspiration. With these strategies, your journey isn't just successful, it's meaningful. By nurturing your relationships, leveraging your work strengths, embracing conflict, prioritizing self-care, and setting sustainable goals, you will not only reach but redefine your potential. Your next step? Join us at Mind Alchemist, where we transform insight into action. Subscribe for more deep dives, comment to engage with a community of like-minded individuals, and hit the bell to never miss a chance to grow. Explore our bespoke ENFJ resources below, and let's make this transformative voyage together.